Hi, my name is Ryan, and I'd like to show you how to get started with Google Cloud at no charge. In the next few minutes, we'll talk about how you can get started with the free trial, the free tier, and Google Maps platform monthly credits. Ready? Let's get started. As you start exploring Google Cloud, you may want to take advantage of our 90-day, $300 free trial. The free trial provides you with free cloud billing credits to pay for resources used while you learn about Google Cloud. You can activate the free trial if you've never been a paying customer of Google Cloud, Google Maps platform, or Firebase, and if you haven't previously signed up for the free trial. To start, visit console.cloud.google.com to open the Google Cloud console. This is where you can manage your Google Cloud resources directly from the web. Log in with the Google account of your choice and accept the terms and conditions. At the top of your screen, you see a banner about the free trial. Click Activate to continue. Select your country, tell us what best describes your organization or needs, and accept the terms of service. Then, click Continue. After verifying your phone number, choose between a business account or an individual account. Then you're asked to provide credit card information. But don't worry, you won't be charged unless you manually upgrade to a paid account later on. Click Start My Free Trial to activate it. Now you have $300 in free credits for the first 90 days to use across all of Google Cloud. You can do things like create new compute engine virtual machines, deploy serverless applications to Cloud Run, and set up new Cloud SQL database instances. Throughout the free trial period, your available credits and days remaining are displayed in the billing section of the Google Cloud console. And if you upgrade to a paid account later on, you'll be able to keep your cloud resources and use any remaining credits. Beyond the free trial, there's also the free tier, which lets you use certain Google Cloud products free of charge within specified monthly usage limits. The free tier is available to both new and existing users and includes products like App Engine, BigQuery, Cloud Functions, Cloud Vision, Firestore, and more. With BigQuery, for example, you get 10 gigabytes of storage per month and 1 terabyte of querying per month. If you're using the free trial, any usage of products within the free tier will not be deducted from your $300 free trial credits. And if you've already upgraded to a paid account, any usage of products within the free tier will not be charged to your credit card. Finally, the Google Cloud Free program includes $200 of monthly credits to use with Google Maps platform products. This allows you to explore and use powerful APIs for maps, routes, and places. So there you have it, an overview of how you can get started with Google Cloud at no charge using the free trial, the free tier, and Google Maps platform credits. Make sure to check out the other episodes of Google Cloud Essentials, where we cover the Google Cloud Console, the Google Cloud SDK, key use cases, and more. I can't wait to see what you build with Google Cloud.